Good morning, Keller Williams, and welcome back to the KW Command 66-Day Challenge 4.0, and today is day 2. So yesterday we focused on creating some designs for the Facebook ad that we'll be running later this week or weekend, and today we're going to focus on our marketing profile, which will help us enhance the steps that we're going to take tomorrow and the next day when we start configuring our agent site and creating a landing page. And so in order to configure your marketing settings, you want to come in and click on this down arrow to the right of your name and then choose the settings menu from there. Excuse me. Next, we're going to click on Connect Settings. We'll click on this little down arrow next to Connect Settings, and you're going to see Marketing Profile. So we're going to choose Marketing Profile. And then from there, you're going to start to see information that you can fill out and include for your marketing profile across your agent site and your landing pages, etc. So I just uploaded this old headshot as an example just to show you that I can come back in, click on upload, and then I'm going to go in and find, all right, where are my headshots, and make sure that I have a new headshot loaded. Obviously, you want to make sure that you have the one that's most recent. And let's see, let's do this one. And there you go. So now I've got my new headshot uploaded. You can come in if you have a team and upload your team logo, and then start going through these details. So you've got first name, last name, license number, if you're on a team, what your job title is, if you have any designations or credentials, and then you want to fill out your bio. On the bio, I would recommend that you have a full version and then a short version. And that's going to make sense more on Friday when we configure our landing page because there are a few widgets on the landing page that have shorter versions. They want to limit it to 280 characters. So this will most likely be my short version, and then I have my full version, which will show up on things like my agent site. If you can only figure out 280 characters, that's okay too. Bottom line, just talk about yourself, and especially newer agents, I like to say, you weren't born yesterday, so talk about what you have done. You never know how you're going to make a connection with somebody through your past and what you've been up to. So mobile phone, office phone, your email, and website. I'm actually going to change my website to show my agent site. And remember, on the agent sites, there is no www, so it's just martymiller.kw.com. And then finally, I'm going to come down and make sure that all my brokerage information is loaded. Let's see, I think I have a 360 by 360 on the DBA that looks a little better. So let me upload that one, and you can see that one looks a little cleaner. So any of your logos, including your headshots or your DBA logo, it's recommended that those are 360 by 360 pixels. There's several videos out there right now that can teach you how to resize your images. If you need help with that, go ahead and do a search there. But making it look cleaner, obviously you can see that's a cleaner looking logo when I did it 360 by 360. We're going to fill in our brokerage information here, and then finally our legal footer text. If you have any required legal footer images, you can upload those as well. And then it's going to ask you, what are your social pages? Feel free to fill in any or all of these. Facebook, Pixel Ads, and Google Analytics ID, I haven't dove into that very much. So you can choose to find those if you'd like. We're not going to cover that in today's video. And then your branded KW app link. So we're going to go ahead and save that page, and I want to show you where you can find that branded link because that is important to make sure you have that in your marketing profile. So I'm going to click on Consumer here on the left-hand side. I'm going to go into Site and App Settings. There's that button here on the top right. And then I'm going to click on URLs. And then I'm going to get my app URL. So this is my app URL. I can simply click copy. If I wasn't able to put that in when I was filling out my marketing profile, let's just go back there real quick. Again, settings, connect settings, marketing profile, and I can scroll back down to the very bottom where my branded app link is, and then paste that in here. Okay, so you want to make sure you have that. In addition, today I want to show you how to connect your Facebook pages and set up Twilio, because that's going to be important as we go to develop our smart plan and run our ad. So I'm actually going to do that from my wife's account because mine are already connected. So in order to connect your Facebook accounts and your Twilio account, they're both located under settings. So we're going to click on the drop down arrow and choose settings. And then from there, the home screen essentially in settings is your integrations or your connected applications. And so I want to scroll down. First, I want to find Facebook post scheduling, and I'm going to click on connect account. If I'm already logged into Facebook or previously connected, then you'll see it's going to give me the business pages that I am an admin on. So I can run an ad on any one of these. This is my business page, so I'm going to connect that one. And if you haven't previously connected Facebook, it may ask you for permission. It's going to say Keller Williams has the right to, post and do all those things. You do need to give them permission in order to get this connected. Finally, I'm going to come down to Facebook Ads Manager, connect that one as well. And since I've already connected Facebook on the step previously, it should just be an automatic connection. So you do want to make sure that you have both the Facebook Ads Manager and the Facebook Post Scheduling connected. Finally, we want to get Twilio connected. Twilio is this button-looking app. This is the text service that enables direct SMS messaging from command. And it's important because when we build out our smart plan, we're going to have some text that are built in there that are going to fire automatically as part of that plan. Now, Twilio is not free. It does cost you money. However, when you set up the account, it's going to bill you $20. And then just like most toll tags, it's going to start deducting from that $20 as you start sending out texts. When you hit $10, it'll rebill you back up to $20. And those texts are less than a penny per, so it's 0.075, so literally 7/10 of a penny, meaning that I can send out 1,000 texts for $7.50. So pretty inexpensive. That's per 160 characters. And so in order to get that Twilio account connected, I'm just going to click on Connect Account. It's going to open the Twilio page here. This is our Keller Williams account, KW Prod. And then you can see you're just going to go through and fill in your first and last name, your credit card information, street and postal code, email, and then your password. And you can see that they're going to charge you $20. And then when it falls below 20, they're going to charge you another 20. Below $10, they'll charge you back up so that you're continually having that money in your account. When you click on Authorize, you will have your Twilio account then set up, and you should be connected now within Command. So that's today's challenge. Essentially go through your marketing profile and make sure that it is completely filled out with sharp looking headshots and your profile and your bio and all of your information. And then let's get into settings and make sure that Twilio and Facebook are connected. Tomorrow we're going to dive into configuring your agent site, and then we're going to spend some time on landing page. We're going to create our smart plan, and we're going to make sure that we have all of our ducks in a row so that this weekend when we run our first Facebook ad, we can start immediately utilizing all of the Legos that we just built out to put that all together. So look forward to working with you on that. As always, it's great talking to you guys, and I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thanks, guys.